Today we're going to make sweet potatoes in a crock pot. What you need is 4 to 5 large sweet potatoes, a stick of butter, some maple syrup, a little bit of honey, cinnamon, a crock pot of course, some marshmallows, and some brown sugar. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you peel your sweet potatoes because the skin is very thick. So let's get these peeled. And bam, just like that, your sweet potatoes are peeled. So next you're ready to turn your crock pot on. We're going to spray it a little bit with some Pam just so that the stickiness doesn't stick. We're going to add our stick of butter and we're just going to get that melting as we chop up our sweet potatoes into great big chunks. Now we have these all in great big chunks and we're just going to take and throw them into the crock pot. Now that we have them all in here, we're going to take our maple syrup and we're going to put a good healthy drizzling portion over the top of the sweet potatoes and coat them. Then we're going to take some honey and we're going to cover the top with some honey back and forth a little bit. The honey adds some sweetness without adding the extra sweet maple flavor. We don't want the maple syrup to take over, but we do want them nice and sweet. Then we're going to take our cinnamon and we're going to sprinkle that over the entire top. Pretty good. Now you can also use allspice or a pumpkin spice in here, nutmeg. I just stick with cinnamon. Then we're going to take our brown sugar and we're going to put that along the top. And it's okay if some big chunks come out because it's going to just melt into the sweet potatoes. And we're going to add some marshmallows, but we're not going to add those until it's almost ready to serve and it's completely done. Now just pop your lid on it. Set it on high, let it cook for about 4 to 5 hours, checking on it every once in a while to stir it and make sure that they get good and tender. And there you go, you're done.